hope you all are doing great. So class, today is 8th of September 2021 and the day is Wednesday. Fine. So yesterday we discussed about the term which is division involving mixed fractions with a fraction. Okay class? Now division involving mixed fractions with a fraction. Okay? Now let's take one example of it. I have 1/5 division sign and then I have 5. If you look first of all class, I have a number which is mixed fraction at first position. How do we know? हमें कैसे पता है कि ये जो हमारे पास फर्स्ट पे फ्रैक्शन है वो मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन है? जी, who will tell me? Hanya, do tell me. Very good. For mixed fraction we have at least one whole number and there is at least one fraction attached with it. So here we have, now to open a mixed fraction we will simply multiply denominator with a whole number. We will write the number after multiplication in rough area which is 10. After multiplication of 2 into 5 we have 10. Now we will simply add 1 into it which is in numerator, which is 11. I have 11 in the end. I will write in numerator, then there is a sign of fraction, then if you look we have a denominator which we will write as it is. Is it clear class? Okay. Now we have division sign. Now I am going to write which is as it is. Now if you look we have the next number which is whole. हमारे पास क्या है नेक्स्ट नंबर? होल है. अब हम इसको ऐसे तो नहीं सॉल्व कर सकते. टू मेक फ्रैक्शन व्हाट वुड वी डू? हम क्या करेंगे? यस अब्दुल राफे, यू टेल मी. Very good. We will simply write denominator 1 in it. To make any fraction, a whole number, to make any fraction, we will simply write 1 in denominator. तो वो क्या बन जाएगा? हमारे पास फ्रैक्शन बन जाएगा. Fine. Now we will write 11/5 which is as it is. Now, if you look class, we have a sign of division in it. So what would we do? हम क्या करेंगे? हम solve कर सकते हैं? Should we solve division involving fractions? Yes, Sikandar, you tell me. No. So that's why we will simply change division sign into multiplication. Now class, when I will change division into multiplication, the next fraction will become reciprocal of that fraction, which is 1/5. Reciprocal क्या होगा? Inverse हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator, which is 1/5. Now in next step we will simply multiply numerators with numerator and denominator with denominator, which is like this. Now who will tell me what we have in the end after multiplication of 11 into 1. Yes, Heather, you tell me. Very good. When we will multiply 11 into 1, we have 11 in the end, which I will write in numerator. Now class, if we look, we have 5 into 5 in denominator. What would we do? हम क्या करेंगे? Simply we will multiply 5 into 5 and we get in the end. Yes, Abdul Rahman, you tell me. 25. Very good. 25. So 11 by 25 is your result. ठीक है? Now this is all which is related to your previous lesson. Now today we have a topic which is word problems. Word problems. So class, first of all, I have first word problem of your book, which is if 4 children ate. If 4 children ate 8 by 9 chocolates. Okay? If 4 children ate 8 by 9, sorry, 8 by 9 of a bowl of ice cream. Of a bowl of ice cream. Fine? Then how much ice cream? Then how much ice cream of a bowl of the bowl did each child have? So class, according to word problem, that we have some of instructions that I told you before. So who will tell me what are the instructions that I told you when we solve a word problem? क्या instructions होती हैं जिनको हम follow करते हैं? Yes, Hania, you tell me. Very good. First of all, for solving word problems, we will read. This is first instruction to solve word problem. Then, after reading, we will understand. What type of instructions they give to us? दी हुई है, ठीक है? Now, the third instruction is to write. Is to write. Now the next instruction to solve word problems is, who will tell me? Yes, Fatma? Very good. Solve. Okay? The first instruction of solving word problem is read. Now I am going to read, which is if 4 children ate 8 by 9 of a bowl of ice cream, then how much ice cream of the bowl did each child have? Fine class? अब इसमें से हमें क्या समझ आ रही है? Now I am going to move another instruction part of word problem, which is understanding. अब हमें इसमें से क्या समझ आ रहा है? What type of instruction we have? अगर 4 चिल्ड्रंस ने 8 by 9 जो कि फ्रैक्शन है बाउल ऑफ आइसक्रीम खाया है, तो हमने एक चाइल्ड का क्या बताना है? क्या होगा फ्रैक्शन? आइसक्रीम ऑफ बाउल की फ्रैक्शन क्या होगी? एक बच्चे की. ईच इज 1. ईच इज 1. So I am going to write class which is the third instruction of word problem? Now, 4 children ate bowl of ice cream, which is 8 by 9. Which is 8 by 9. Clear है ये सबको? Now, according to instruction, according to what problem we have class, how much ice cream of the bowl did each child have? हर एक बच्चे के पास कितना जो है वो आइसक्रीम का बाउल आया था, हमने ये बताना है. So, when there is a word of each, what would we do? जब हमारे पास स्टेटमेंट में वर्ड यूज होता है each का, तो हम क्या करते हैं? We will divide. We will simply divide it. ठीक है? Each means हम यहाँ पे शेयरिंग कर रहे हैं, हम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं? डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. तो जब भी हम किसी चीज को स्प्लिट करते हैं, डिवाइड करते हैं, या हमारे पास वर्ड ईच का यूज हो जाता है, देन वी विल सिंपली डिवाइड इट. फाइन क्लास. और जब भी हम एंड व्हेन वी विल सिंपली समथिंग डिक्रीज, पहले नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन क्या थे? 4. ठीक है, अब हमने ईच की बतानी है, मीन्स 1 की बतानी है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू 1. 4 से हम 1 पे जा रहे हैं. सो डिक्रीज हो रही है. When we have this type of instruction in which we are decreasing, जब कोई चीज क्या होती है? कम होती है, लेस होती है, तो हम उसमें क्या करते हैं? We will simply divide it. हम क्या करेंगे? डिवाइड करेंगे. Now each children eat ice cream. We have to find it. So we will simply write the fraction which we have 8 by 9, which is given. Now we will divide by 4. जी, हम क्यों करेंगे डिवाइड? Why we will divide it? जी क्लास, why we will divide it? हम क्यों करेंगे इसको डिवाइड? Because we want to find each children eat ice cream. Is it clear class? Now, the first is fraction, which is 8 by 9. Then there is a sign of division, and then there is a whole number which is 4. So we will simply make the other number to make fraction by writing 1 in denominator. ये हमारे पास फ्रैक्शन बन गया है. Now what would we do in the next step? अब हम क्या करेंगे? Very good. We will change division sign into multiplication, because we can't solve division involving fractions. ऐसे ही है क्लास. Now when we will change division into multiplication, the next fraction will become the reciprocal of that, which is 1 by 4. Is it clear? 1 by 4. So what would we do in the next step? हम क्या करेंगे? If you look, there is a sign of multiplication in between. There is one fraction and there is also other fraction, and there is a sign of multiplication in between. So we will simply multiply numerators with numerator and denominator with denominator. Now I am going to write. You have to listen very carefully. 8 multiplied by 1 and 9 multiplied by 4. ठीक है? After solving 8 1 times, which is 8, and 4 9 times, yes Heather, you tell me. 9 into 4 is? Very good, 36. 9 into 4 is 36. Now, if you look class, both are divisible by number 2? How do we know? हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? We have discussed the divisibility rule for number 2 is if the unit place ended with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, we will simply cut on number 2. अब जो ऊपर वाला है वो भी कट हो रहा है and the lowest number or the lower portion will also cut on number 2. और कटिंग की कंडीशन ही यही है हमारे पास कि सेम टेबल होना चाहिए, ठीक है? इट इज नेसेसरी 2 4 times, 2 1 times and 2 8 times. Now again if you look, we have 4 which is at unit place and 8 is at unit place also. 2 2 times and 2 9 times. Now in the end I have 2 by 9. In the end I have class 2 by 9. 2 by 9. So class, I am going to revise. You have to listen very carefully. The first instruction of solving word problem is read. Now I am going to read. If 4 children ate 8 by 9 of a bowl of ice cream, then how much ice cream of the bowl did each child have? Okay. So first of all, what instructions we understand by this word problem? हमें क्या समझ आ रही है? क्या उसने hidden objects दिए हुए हैं जिससे हमें पता चल रहा है कि हम इसमें ये करेंगे? If you look, the first is step 4 children ate 8 by 9 of a bowl of ice cream. चार बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने बाउल ऑफ आइसक्रीम खाई थी जिसकी फ्रैक्शन क्या थी 8 by 9. अब हमने क्या बताना है? Each children eat ice cream. ठीक है? So we will simply divide it by 4 because we want class 1 children eat ice cream. हमें क्या बताना है कि एक बच्चा कितनी आइसक्रीम खाता है? So we will simply divide it by 4. जो गिवन फ्रैक्शन होगा हम उसको 4 के ऊपर डिवाइड करेंगे. Fine. And you also remember one thing, when we have a lot of things and we want to find only one thing, decreasing होगी जब कोई चीज तो हम क्या करेंगे? Simply what would we do? We will simply divide it. Clear? We will simply divide it. Now we have another word problem. You have to listen very carefully. Maths textbooks on the table is exactly 14 2 by 5 centimeter high. Okay? If each book is 1 by 5 centimeter thick, find class how many books make up the pie. How many books make a pie? So according to solving a word problem, we have discussed some of instructions, which is first is read, then understand, then write and then solve. Okay? Now according to first problem, by 5. If each book is 1 by 5 centimeter thick, अगर एक बुक की जो थिकनेस है वो क्या है 1 by 5, then how many books make a pile? तो कितनी बुक्स मिल के जो है वो एक पाइल बनाए. Fine. Now this is the second instruction which I have done, which is understanding. Now the third, which is write. I am going to write. You have to be listen very carefully, class. Thickness of maths books, which is 14 by 5 centimeter high. Should I change into a fraction? If you look, there is a mixed fraction. So first of all, we will change into fraction by multiplying denominator with a whole number. So 14 into 5 is, who will tell me? Yes, Adya, you tell me. 5 4 times 20, 2-digit number. We will simply write 0 here, which is at right side. Fine. And 2 as a carry. Now I am going to read the table of 5, which is 5 1 times 5, and we will plus 2 into it. After adding 2 into it, we have 7. So I have 70. Then I will add 2 into it, which is 72 by 5 centimeter. ठीक है? Now, if each book is 1 by 5 centimeter thick, thickness of each book, which is 1 by 5 centimeter. इसको भी अपन कर लेंगे. 5 1 times 5 and 1 add करेंगे. So I have 6 by 5 centimeter. Is it clear? 6 by 5 centimeter. Now what would we do, class? अब हम क्या करेंगे simply? If you look, there is a word of each. Sentence में हमारे पास क्या word use हो रहा है? Each का. So as I told you, when there is a word of each, we will simply divide it. हम क्या करते हैं उसको? Divide कर देते हैं. ठीक है? अब क्या होगा? First fraction we have 72 by 5 and the other is 6 by 5. We will simply divide it. Now I am going to divide like this, which is 72 by 5 divided by 6 by 5. You know we can't solve division involving fraction, so we will simply change division into multiplication. When we will change division into multiplication, the next fraction will become the reciprocal of it. What is mean by reciprocal? Very good. Numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. 5 5 से कट हो जाएगा. Then we have in the end is 72 by 6. We will simply divide it. 72 is inside the division because it represents as a numerator, and 6 will be written in outside the division because it represents a denominator. 6 1 times 6. If you look, class, now after subtracting 7 into 6, we have 1, and I will bring down 2 here, which is like this. Now by how many times I will multiply 6 to get 12? Very good. 2 times. I will write 2 here. So each book thickness has 12 centimeter. ठीक है? Now I am going to repeat it. You have to listen. वो क्या कह रहा है कि मैथ्स की टेक्स्ट बुक जो टेबल पे पड़ी उनकी थिकनेस क्या है 14 by 5 and each book having 1 by 5 centimeter thick. So we have to find each book thickness. We want to find how many books make a pile. कितनी books मिलके जो हैं वो एक pile बनाएंगे. So we will simply divide both the fractions, which I have done. Clear? Now this is all which is related to your lesson. If you find still any difficulty, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.